Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. Today, I'm not sure if I'm being scammed or not. Let's find out. Today I sold this. It's a Polo Classic champagne case. Just the case, no champagne in it. And it's a Veuve Clicquot. And it slides open. There's, like I said, no champagne in there. My sister was going to put this out at the yard sale and I was like, hold the phone. I've sold champagne cases before and they're a really good seller. By the way, this one is called the Polo Classic, but there are a lot of these that were made with city names on them, like Tokyo and Madrid and Miami and so forth. Those sell even better than this one. This one just sold this morning for $59.99. Yeah, my sister wouldn't have gotten that at the yard sale. So here's the thing. When I looked at the buyer, they opened their account today and they have 0 feedback score. And it's Halloween. Dun-dun. So I'm wondering, am I going to be scammed? Now, they paid for it already. It's paid in full. And I have 3 days. That's what my shipping is on my account. I have 3 days shipping. So I'm going to film this, show you everything about this and also how I packaged it up and ship it out. And then we'll go from there. And hopefully I won't be scammed, but we'll see. I don't know. I just have that spooky feeling. I did tell in the description and everything, the front cover doesn't close fully aligned. It's a little bit off, but that's okay. And it has some wear and tear. There's a little ding right here. You know, I did all the pictures and all the description about it, but it's in great condition otherwise, and there's no dents or anything like that. I don't want to put the bad jinx on it or anything like that, that this is not a real sale. I mean, someone actually could have started their account today and they bought something, but will it be returned? Will it be something else that was returned? I don't know. So that's part of why I want to document this whole process and see what happens. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm part of a lot of groups on eBay reselling on Facebook. Every once in a while, someone will post something saying, oh, I just got a return, or I just got something from someone who doesn't have any feedback score. They're pretty new. Should I cancel the sale even before I've shipped it out? And everyone says, no, you've been paid for the item, so you need to ship it. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just curious to find out if this is someone who is a real buyer, or is it someone that's going to receive it and then say, I want to return it. And then when they return it, I get something else in its place. As I've said before, I'm going to be documenting this whole process. Hey, while you're here, could you tap the like button and hit subscribe? It helps me in the channel. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please help me. Thanks so much. I have the Veuve Clicquot Polo Classic champagne container, the case, and I found a great perfect size box for it that I'm gonna wrap the champagne box in this very soft foam and then wrap it with bubble wrap and ship it off today. So it was ordered yesterday. Today I'm shipping, and then we will see what happens. So the package was just dropped off at the post office, and now it's just a matter of waiting. It'll get there in a matter of like 2 days, possibly, maybe 3. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping that nothing happens. I I have hope now that this is just a normal sale. It's just that they happened to open their account yesterday and they bought something and they have no feedback whatsoever. So we'll see what happens. It's been over 2 weeks since I shipped the champagne box out, and officially it has not been delivered by USPS. I don't know what happened, but the delivery information shows that it was out for delivery on November 4th, but that's it. There's nothing that says it was accepted, it was delivered on the porch or in the mailbox or anything like that. I don't know what this means. All I know is I haven't heard from the buyer. So I'm just gonna assume, which we know what that means, that it's going to be fine. However, the buyer has 30 days to return. I actually don't take returns, but eBay always makes you return things if someone wants it returned. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm just going to end this video with a big question mark. I'm not really sure what's happening, except that I sold something to someone who had just set up their eBay account. They bought it, they paid for it, I shipped it out, and it was not officially delivered. This could be a USPS thing, or they got it and everything is fine. I haven't received any feedback either. I have not given any feedback either. Why don't you leave some comments below and let me know what your thoughts on this are. Thanks for watching, Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.